all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I'll be moving on. And I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that your mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I was so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause you feel like you look that nice, maybe you should go and love yourself. I'm feeling that I'm still holding on to something. You should go and love yourself. My mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Only problem was that you didn't have that. And every time you told me my way was wrong, they tried to make me forget where I came from. And I didn't want to write a song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby, I'll be moving on. And I think it should be something I don't want to hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. So I catch you on fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes. Even if we're strangers till we die. give it all away. Catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die. I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Anywhere out this place. I wanna run away. Just you and just admit it. I gave you faith, turned you down, and can't deny it. Now I'm all alone, and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I'm gone? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? When nobody else was paying, I gave you the shirt off my back. What you saying to keep you warm? Broke
and these girls in the party. Fuck a combo, all you wanna see is sweaty bodies. One particular night, we barely made it to the lobby. We got a problem, Houston, she screamed. You didn't get her name, you just know she from Spelman. Shorty so bad, play the game without a helm. Take her back to your dorm, bring it to your boys. Got the door half cracked so they can hear the noise. Putting camera in the corner for everybody to enjoy. On the shelf with the team spirit, really they just decoys. You invincible, ain't watching for your health. 6 weeks, 9 more notches on your belt. Slow down, man, you seen the clinic twice. Now you got this morning cough going fast like minute price. Convincing yourself when you grip from the neck up. You don't need a doctor, you don't need a checkup. Headaches, they coming in the middle of the season. It's the summertime, why the hell are you sneezing? Your nose, it keeps running, so copping some sneakers. Call Shorty from Spelman, but she said that she is just fine. Too embarrassed to hit the other girls up, but one of them fucked your whole world. Was it Lisa or Keisha? Cause she was with Dan, not knowing that he was with Ethan.
Sometimes I feel like I'm invincible. Sometimes I feel like I'm incredible. Sometimes use my mind when I don't think it through. I guess I'm invincible.
This is my confession. I never wanted to wrestle with depression. Let it get inside my head until I'm left with excessive aggression. Or give me a weapon, my self-expression is threatened. I'm excessively protective cause my head is getting messed with. And I'll accept this as a lesson, never question the direction I'm headed. I guess I'm destined to be a freshman amongst veterans. Shane, stop this crazy thing, George Jetson. I couldn't sleep, so I kept thinking. I couldn't face reality, so I kept drinking. The more I kept drinking, the more I kept smoking. Choking on the moments, my soul was totally broken. It was so confusing and so consuming. My life was out of order like a Tarantino movie. So I looked at my reflection in the mirror and I said, man, fuck my life. My soul was dead.
Sometimes you gotta fall like Rome to rebuilding. If there's ever snakes in the grass, I'll reveal them. All you ever need is somebody in your team that can make you realize there ain't nothing wrong with dreaming. Fell so hard that they told you were nothing. Planned to return, but they thought that you were bluffing. Step your game up, you done came up. Now it burns your tongue every time they bring your name up.
I'm back from the dead, I'm Freddy and Jason. I'm the architect, I hold the key to the matrix. And I hit these cats with a wiffle bat. They're so fickle that they go and ask for change in my music and get a nickel back. I won't die a statistic, I'm living at Xavier School for the gifted. But I'm back, they said I never win this. Not only am I back, bitch, I'm back with a vengeance.
Sometimes I feel like I'm invincible. Sometimes I feel like I'm incredible. Sometimes when I don't use my head, when I don't use my mind, when I don't think it through, I guess I'm invincible.
Never could stay in one place.
Hello, it's
Virtue is
me.
no more than a luxury.
I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much. Hello, can you hear me?
One step ahead of the past.
I'm in California dreaming about and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry I hope that you will, that you will make it out of that town where nothing ever happened. It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. Hello from the other side. I must have gone 1,000